Hi, so I just wanted to do a really quick review. I just tried out these new Nathan's Honey Mustard Crunchy, I guess, crispy or something, fries. And I just have to tell you about them. I read up on them. I have a website up. So I'm just going to tell you what it says and really just lists what flavors are going to be coming out in this brand. And they're also going to be coming out in, let me see, chili cheese, cheddar cheese, and then this one, the honey mustard. And I did see the other ones at the store. I got these at a convenience store by my house. And I want to try the others. But so far I only tried the honey mustard, and I have to say it is amazing. Definitely one of my probably top 3 chips or something that I've ever had. It's so good. And if you don't like honey mustard, I wouldn't suggest eating it because it tastes exactly like honey mustard. Literally like the dressing you get from any kind of restaurant, Fridays, Ruby Tuesdays, whatever. It literally tastes exactly like the dressing. It is delicious if you like honey mustard. Nutrition facts are here if you're interested. You could put on pause and read it. If you can see that. I'm not sure. It looks kind of blurry to me, but... And I just think they are awesome. They aren't... they're more like a fry than a potato chip, which is, I guess, why they said fries. But they aren't as crispy as a potato chip. They're crispy biting into it, but then they're kind of soft on the inside, so it's more like a fry. They are coming out in potato chips for these and for the chili cheese and the cheddar cheese. They're coming out in potato chips, but these are more fry-like quality. And they basically look exactly like the picture. Maybe they're a little thinner, but they look exactly like the picture for the most part. And this bag was only about like $2 or something, like $1.99. So, I mean, I'm willing to pay that. And I just really love these. I can't say enough good things about it. I could have ate 10 bags of them. They were so good. So if you see them and like honey mustard, I would suggest trying these out. Nathan's Honey Mustard Fry Chip things. So give it a try.